Today I will be talking about extended objects in BladeLogic Server Automation. BMC Server Automation lets you create extended objects, which are custom objects presenting information not included in a standard installation. After creating an extended object, you can use the BMC Server Automation Console to browse, snapshot, audit, and run compliance on the contents of the extended object just as you would any other server object. At this time, I'll show you an example of creating an extended object in the BSA console. So the first thing I like to do is run my command that I'm going to use in my extended object on one of my target servers. So this command will show the list of hotfixes installed on this server. And here are the results displayed in a comma-delimited format. So now in the BSA console, I'll click on Configuration, Config Object Dictionary, click the drop down and choose Extended Objects, click Add, choose Extended Object, give it a name, choose the OS, type my command, and since the results are in a comma-delimited format, I'm going to use CSV and finish it out. So now I can refresh my extended objects on my live browse, and I'll click on the extended object. And the results of the extended object are displayed. Thank you for your time.